Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute or unmute your device ringtone, you should slide this dot to the left or to the right side. Also we can do it by what the volume buttons, but first be sure that here in volume button function you have selected ringtone, and now just by press to the up or to the down volume button we can see that we can change the ringtone volume, and also you can do it with a finger by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.